Welcome to By Nature's Side with me, Sharon. And today I'm at Carsington Waters. Absolutely beautiful place here. It's a very windy day today. Nestled in the picturesque countryside of Derbyshire, England, Carsington Water is a reservoir that has become a popular destination for nature lovers. It's also popular for outdoor enthusiasts and those seeking a peaceful retreat. Operated by Severn Trent Water, this stunning body of water serves multiple purposes, from supplying water to surrounding areas to offering a haven for wildlife and recreational activities. Carsington Water was officially opened in 1992, following years of planning and development. The reservoir was constructed to provide an additional water supply for the East Midlands region, particularly during periods of drought. Its location between Ashbourne and Wirksworth was chosen due to its proximity to water sources and its ability to complement the existing water network. The reservoir is formed by damming the nearby River Scropton and features an extensive system of pipelines and treatment works. With a capacity of approximately 7,800 million gallons, Carsington Water plays a crucial role in maintaining a stable water supply for communities in Derbyshire and beyond. Carsington Water is a sanctuary for wildlife, attracting a variety of bird species, including ospreys, grebes and kingfishers. The surrounding wetlands and woodlands provide diverse ecosystems, making it an excellent location for bird watching and nature photography. The reservoir is also home to a thriving fish population, including trout and perch. It's the first sign of spring. I remember years ago having the Flower Fairy books. I'm not sure if anybody remembers those. It was given to me as a gift as a child by a very good friend of mine at the time, and I remember memorised all the poems. I think that one was the snowdrop fairy was deep sleeps the winter, cold, wet and grey. Surely all the world is dead, spring is far away. But wait, the world shall waken, it is not dead, for lo, the fair maids of February stand in the snow. It was a lovely book. And a great way to get children to learn about flowers. And we will be covering wildflowers on this show at some point, but at the moment it's just a walk around here, Carsington Waters. We're hoping to capture some birds. There we go. Oh wow, and we're not disappointed. Look at this. I think they think that we've got food, but the mallards here, the males and the females. Oh, beautiful. Gorgeous waters. I'm sorry we've got no food. That's the thing when you're filming, you can only basically do one thing at a time. I think there's a moorhen down there. My fingertips are absolutely freezing. It's a really bitter cold day today, but definitely worth it. It took us about an hour to get here, but definitely worth it. If we take you just round here, you can see all the boats over there. Just zoom in for you. And my fingers are so cold, I do apologise if the camera's shaking. They're very chilled out, these mallards. Obviously used to the visitors here. There is a shop here as well, an RSPB shop, which we will be visiting shortly. It's not open yet, I think it opens later on, so we'll have a look in there. As you can see that there really. Take a stroll around Stones Island. It looks rather big, doesn't it? There's a boat on the water there. I think it's actually moving. I can try and zoom in for you. There we go. I'm going to try and find somebody else now, obviously, because we haven't got any food for them. But if we do nip into the shop, we'll probably come back. There'll probably be some dog food in there.
You should have brought your camera out, Bella.
Well, we'll keep walking, see what else we can see. It's a really windy day, so I apologise if you can hear it on the camera, on the video. I should definitely have brought gloves today. It's a beautiful place. We're hoping it's teeming with wildlife. Obviously, we've seen some of the ducks, but there's lots of other birds here to see. So, see that there in the distance. People here taking photographs. Head this way now. Slightly more sheltered up here, which is good, but it's still very cold. There's a great visitor centre here as well. They're very informative and try to direct you to the best places, the best areas to go. And there's like a pamphlet with directions on and a map and things like that, so you can choose basically where you want to go. We'll just head down here now. See here, it's obviously very muddy. There's a sign in the middle stating danger, soft mud. You can see that there. And you can see just leading down into it how muddy that is. You can hear the coots there. There is some widgeons over there. Not sure if you'll be able to see them. I think they've got the heads behind the backs mostly, just resting. It's hard to get up close. I still hear the coots. Canadian geese over there. There's a group of widgeons here. Those are the females there. You can see the male one at the front there. Little blackbird here, foraging for worms, if you can see him. Absolutely gorgeous place here. Such a great place to be walking. You can really feel the breeze up here. There's a little picnic table there. Nice place to sit with your own picnic and see what wildlife you can see. Just head down here. The water's very choppy here. You can probably hear it. It's like being at the beach. You can hear that. See all the waves forming. Turbines over there. Try and zoom in for you. Oh, the ducks coming, all the mallards are coming. Some females here running. Along this trail, we're coming up to the wildlife centre. There's a bug hotel just there. You see that? Ah, butterfly bank. Interesting. As you can see there, it explains what a butterfly bank is on the sign there. You might not be able to see it, so I'll read it for you. This butterfly bank helps to increase habitat for breeding butterflies and moths. They provide open sunny areas, bare ground and encourage growth of early successful herbs which rely on disturbed ground. As you can see, wildlife centre in the distance there. The swan depicted on the outside. So the roof is covered in grass. Good view here. on the way back now, and little pied wagtail there. Try and zoom in. There he is. Well, that is another walk done. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, follow and subscribe, and don't forget to tread softly as you walk by nature's side. See you soon.